This is the beginning of hopefully about a month's worth of videos. I'm going to omit Sundays, but I hope to kind of show you a little bit of what it looks like to be a working homeschool mom. Short videos this month. I'm excited to kind of show you a few different things, some of my favorite books that we're reading, some different parts of our day, some of my favorite recipes that are quick, that sometimes the kids can help with even. So if you're up for the journey, I hope you'll come along, okay? Keep going. I'm going to start class here in just a minute. This is kind of my Monday teaching load. I have 4 classes and a work meeting, and then I'll head down and start homeschooling. My husband is already doing math with the kids, and they're working on music along with math right now. So I'm going to get started here. Okay, all done teaching right now, but I did want to share a little bit about something fun that we're doing. One of my kiddos, I'll put some pictures right here, decided to create this advent calendar. And so I did this when they were little, but I haven't done it since then. I don't know, just holiday busyness. But I love the idea of having something to look forward to every day. I know a lot of families do this, you know, the pop out a little piece of chocolate or whatever. But I loved that she kind of took this idea and ran with it. So inside each of these toilet paper tubes, she put in challenges, things that they need to do. I snuck a peek at some of them before she bought them in the tubes, but there was like wear Santa hats all day, bake cookies, give something to someone who needs something. So we keep chips and snacks in the car so that we can give them to people on the street. Where we live, this is very common for people at stoplights to come up and knock on the window and ask for money or for food. So that's something that I kind of love that she's already incorporating into her perception of this season. So I'm excited to see how this goes. As you can see in this picture, we do have a traditional kind of advent calendar that my family did. My parents gave us that one. That was the one that we used when we were little, and so they kind of take turns. We have had to write down the person's name who's supposed to do it that day. That's always been tricky. It's my turn, it's my turn. No, we're just writing down the names so everybody knows what day is theirs. They're already planning out the pieces that they want to put on. So really fun. Again, I think as moms, a lot of times we have this pressure, create the magic, create the magic. Well, I don't know. I think a lot of it has to do with these traditions that don't have to have a lot of effort. They don't have to take a lot of effort to create that anticipation, right? So I would say, you know, adopt one of these. You don't have to start December 1st. So adopt one of these, like make one today, drop things and kind of create something fun today. That's my challenge to you. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. So happy December 2nd and happy Vlogmas. See you later.